Hello guys, welcome to this class. Here we were given this equation, this radical equation, right? And then we're asked to find the smallest solution to the given equation. So whenever you see a equation like this, meaning you're going to have two solutions. Maybe one will be positive and the other negative, or both will be positive, but you have to pick the smallest value as the solution, or both will be negative. You have to look out for the least among the two, right? But let's go through this together. We have root x minus 2 raised to power 2 equals to square root of 3x plus 34. Now, the first thing we need to do is to eliminate these radicals. And the best way to eliminate radicals is to take the square of both sides. So we're going to take the square of this and of this. In taking the square, don't forget this is x minus 2 raised to power 2 already. Then you take the square equals to, you take the square of this as well, 3x plus 34. Then you take the square. This can cancel this will cancel this. You see the essence of taking the square when you have radicals, right? So now here we are left with x minus 2 raised to power 2 equals to 3x plus 34. Now this is the same thing as x minus 2 because it's raised to power 2, so it's there, then equals to 3x plus 34, right? Now in expanding this, x times x you have x squared, x times minus 2 you have minus 2x, minus 2 times x you have minus 2x, minus 2 times minus 2 you have plus 4 equals to 3x plus 34. Hope you are following. So we have here x raised to power 2 minus 2x minus 2x, you have minus 4x, then plus 4 equals to 3x plus 34. Now you will notice we are gradually arriving or getting towards quadratic equation, but let's move. So we have to collect like terms. You notice there's x variable here, and there's a whole number here, whole number here. So the whole number should always be at the right hand side of the equation, while the x variable should always be at the left hand side of the equation. So we have x raised to power 2 minus 4x. If this crosses, it becomes minus 3x equals to 34. If this goes, it becomes minus 4. So now you notice we have x raised to power 2 minus 7x equals to 30. And then making this a quadratic equation already. So we have x raised to power 2 minus 7x minus 30, because if it comes, equals to 0. So we have a quadratic equation already. And here we can solve it using factorization method, right? Now we have to look for two numbers such that if you add them together, you have minus 7, but if you multiply them, you have 30. Definitely that two numbers will be between 10 and 3, right? So it's either you have minus 10 plus 3. Minus 10 plus 3 will give you minus 7. Then minus 10 times 3 will give you minus 30. So we have to substitute that here. We have x raised to power 2 minus 10x plus 3x minus 30. Everything equals to 0, right? So we group x raised to power 2 minus 10x, then plus what is common here, we have to group it, 3x minus 80. Okay, you say this equals to 0. Then something is common here that you can take out, which is x. If you take out x from here, you have x minus 10, plus something is common here which you can take out, 3. If you take 3 from here, you have x. 30 divided by 3, you have 10. Everything equal to 0. Is that okay? So let me clean from here and then we can finish up the problem. Sorry, it's a long one, but it's worth it. So we have to pick this and this now, which is x plus 3. And then we pick one of them because they are the same, x minus 10. Everything equal to 0. So we are going to equate this to 0, equate this to 0. And so we have x plus 3 equals to 0, or x minus 10 equals to 0, right? So this becomes x equals to minus 3 or x equals to plus 10. So now if you look at this very well, which among this number is the smallest? So definitely minus 3 is the smallest. So what is the smallest solution to the given equation? The smallest solution to the given equation is x minus 3. Bye-bye.